In this video, I will provide an overview of Editorial Manager's Scope Match feature. Scope Match is the first feature of the Evaluate Manuscript service, with additional features to come. The tool showcases the 5 most similar articles published in your journal and in other journals, as well as the percentage of similarity in scope between the manuscript and journals connected via the article transfer service. The feature also includes the site score of these connections, as well as the impact factor when available. You may access Scope Match by clicking the Manuscript Analysis Services link from the Action menu of the targeted submission. Clicking the link will open the Manuscript Analysis Services dialog box that will provide an overview of the status of each analysis service, including Evaluate Manuscript, which provides the Scope Match score. When the status is complete, you may view the Scope Match score in line, as well as click the link Go to Report to launch the tool and access further information. Click Go to Report to proceed. The Scope Match report will open in a new window. At the top left of the page, you can view the manuscript's title as well as the abstract by clicking or hovering your mouse over the eye icon next to View Abstract. At the top right of the page, a trending graph is shown, which displays the manuscript scope match to this journal over the past 3 years. Under the trending graph, you can view the submission scope match score, which is calculated using an algorithm to determine the topic of the manuscript based on the title and abstract, which is then compared to the aggregated topic of this journal's published articles over the last 3 years. The next section of the page shows, based on the manuscript being processed, up to 5 articles with the most similar topic published in this journal in the previous 3 years, as well as the 5 articles with the most similar topics published in other journals in the previous 3 years, using Scopus data. Provided information for these articles include title, names of up to the first 10 listed authors, PlumX metrics, as well as the site score for articles published in other journals. Following this, the tool will also display information about the journals connected via the article transfer service. Clicking the journal's details on the left will display further information on the right. This information includes the journal's title, scope match score, impact factor if available, site score, and aims and scope. This information can be used to suggest an alternative journal to the authors should you determine the manuscript is not suitable for your journal. After using Scope Match, you may easily return to the previous page in Editorial Manager by closing the tab. Benefits of using Scope Match include saving time to evaluate the topical match of the manuscripts to your and other journals, access to insights on the publication of similar articles, broadened awareness of what is being published in the field to minimize blind spots, and support in determining the suitability of alternative journals for the manuscript in case of a reject, suggest transfer decision. This is how to use the Scope Match feature in Editorial Manager. Please visit the Journal Article Publishing Support Center should you require further information. Thank you for watching.